Hello, my name is Murray Robertson and I'm the General Manager for Road Science. Road Science is New Zealand's leading supplier of bitumen and emulsion products for the civil contracting industry. The key to our success is our investment in R&D and smart process management. Supporting our market-leading manufacturing, we have 5 IANZ accredited laboratories and a team that's dedicated to innovative engineering solutions. Our goal is to ensure that our customers succeed, and that means providing them with the right products and the best possible technology and support. At Road Science, we encourage innovation so that we can build creativity. Our goal is to transform great ideas into inventive and material technology solutions. It is a fantastic company and we're really proud of the services we offer, so take a look.
Hi, I'm Darcy Rodgers and I head up the technical development team at Road Science. My team is dedicated to understanding our customers' greatest challenges, working with them to develop a solution and then delivering these solutions into the market. I'm personally passionate about understanding the fundamental science behind our customers' challenges and then using this knowledge to advance the industry through high integrity R&D. It's my pleasure to introduce David Alexander, who will tell you a little bit more about our team's capabilities.
Hi there, I'm David Alexander, R&D Projects Manager for the Road Science technical team. The transport industry is faced with many materials that just don't stand up to current demands. Our technical development team focuses on delivering innovative product solutions in the form of long-lasting materials that are fast and safe to construct. This translates to lower maintenance costs and less disruption to the travelling public, yielding better outcomes for both our customers and our customers' customers.
I'm Godkin, the Manufacturing Manager for Road Science. We have a chain of world-class manufacturing plants and storage facilities throughout New Zealand. Having the ability to produce and supply a range of products from traditional offerings such as bitumen emulsion and polymer modified, right through to bespoke client-specific solutions. Product quality, consistency and reliability of performance are key deliverables by the Road Science manufacturing operation, which is certified to ISO 9001. What sets Road Science apart is its high productivity, continuous emulsion and polymer modified bitumen plants, as well as a bitumen oxidization blowing plant that is the only one outside of New Zealand refinery. Road Science has a high focus on ensuring that its operation is leading in the field of energy efficiency and sustainability. It has worked closely with many sustainability organisations, including the Sustainability Business Network and the Energy Efficiency Conservation Authority, to develop sustainability improvement programs. These include gains in both energy efficiency, waste minimisation and waste material recycling. I can't leave without telling you about the Road Science bitumen tanker fleet, which is the largest in the country. This enables customers to receive product when they want it and where they want it.
Hello, I'm Janet Jackson. I'm Road Science's National Laboratory Manager. I manage 5 IANZ accredited laboratories throughout New Zealand, 1 in Auckland, Mount Maunganui, Wellington and Christchurch, and we have a project-based laboratory in Kaikoura. Recently we've also set up mobile laboratories, 1 in Samoa and 1 in Vanuatu. Our services include material testing for concrete, soils, aggregates, asphalt, bitumen and emulsions. We develop designs for pavements and asphalt. We do R&D to provide solutions for our customers, and we do pavement design and testing such as test pits, laser-based surveys, Bitumen beam and density testing. Our technical support to our clients involves us at the initial tender stage and also the design phase, and then we're part of the construction phase where we do the compliance testing so that we become part of the delivery team. Our laboratory team looks forward to helping and guiding you through your project needs and requirements and providing solutions for you.